to weekly test 1. I've decided to start doing weekly test videos on the new fire alarm system. No particular reason, but just felt like it. Actually, I just realised I forgot to put this sign up before I make this video. I've replaced this call point, by the way. It's now the ESP one, as you can see. I'm going to lean the sign up there. Perfect. And it's not a case of me forgetting to put it up, it's just that it came off the wall because there's hot glue here and it didn't want to stay for some reason because it's stupid. But oh well. Let's get on with the test. So I'll position the camera a little bit better. And we're going to use the test key and then we'll push it. Just need to make sure that it isn't silent, and it isn't. Or is it? That's weird. That delay shouldn't have happened. I'm not too sure why it did. Let me try that again. Well, I mean, I haven't got a problem with it. It makes it more realistic, but it is a bit odd. Not test key. That's weird. There isn't supposed to be a delay. These are relays, so as you can see, it's not exactly like a PCB or any microcontroller or anything. It's supposed to be an instant activation, but look. Yeah, I got rid of the wire things. There's actually a reset switch now. No, this is not a cooker hood. That was just pulled from a kitchen, and I've like hot glued it onto the side of the panel. It's a bit wobbly. Oh well. Yeah, I think that the delay, that must have something to do with the resistors or the circuit board in the coil point, because that shouldn't happen. By the way, here's my static systems call point. I don't do any detectors because it's a weekly test and you're supposed to only do a call point. I suppose detectors, I'll probably do one detector to replace the call point, just to make sure it doesn't get repetitive, because this call point will probably be staying here for, not forever, but like for another month or so. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this test. Well, for those who want an update on the shed, the lighting is a lot better in here now. As you can see, there is some nice LED lights going across the top, and we've got our trusty normal incandescent bulb over there. And that there, because these are the remote control LED strips, these are Energizer brand, they're usually Ever-Ready brand, basically remote control. So I turn it off, turn it on, change the colour. So now it's on like solid blue, darker, yellow. Oh, that looks very white on camera. Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Put it back on flash mode. There we go. Not the most responsive thing, but I did get these lights for about shit. I got these lights for about a tenner. We kind of solved the electrical problem here. Got a 4-way plug actually mounted to the bench, and it just goes down and up. This is the 4-way plug, and if you're wondering what this is the heater. That's the incandescent light, fire panel, and the LED lights. You finished? You just came in here to have a bath, didn't you? You didn't say hi or anything like that. Love you too, Jock.